Top 10 Unexpected Moments of Animals with Big Cats. The natural life of animals always has many unexpected happenings, attracting the curiosity and discovery of people. Today, let's join Channel to watch the unexpected moments of animals with big cats in the grasslands of the Black Continent, Africa. Let's start the journey together. Lion pulls wildebeest carcass. A lioness was lying down to tear her prey. It seemed that she intended to pull the wildebeest carcass away, but was still afraid. It left because of the appearance of the larger lioness. It seems that this lion is afraid of a conflict for food with own kind. The lucky lion didn't need to do anything to capture the entire prey for today's meal. This lioness already has a baby antelope ready to prepare for her sumptuous feast. Suddenly, it was attacked by a leopard to take the food. The lioness did not hesitate to use her feet to attack the leopard, causing it to give up. Big cats, other than lions, are hard to defeat. This victory is completely understandable. Sometimes, this big cat chooses to attack its prey from behind. The female cats began to build strong defenses. The prey was caught by the lion. After a few jumps, the lion also catches up, knocking down the prey quickly. The lionesses decided to go hunting at night. They seemed quite active when chasing the huge prey this time. It's an adult elephant. The lionesses still gathered around the elephant. They could not act because the situation was too unfavorable. Despite the crowd, the lions still could not knock down such a huge elephant. After an exploration, the lions appear to be disinterested in the adult elephant. There are still no signs of giving up completely, but the initial enthusiasm and aggressive spirit were gone. In the end, they decided to give up chasing the big goal and wait for a more possible opportunity. Giraffe running away from a group of lions. The chase became more and more intense as the lionesses did not want to give up this huge prey. The giraffe is still trying to escape the enemy's claws. But unfortunately, in the end the giraffe was grabbed by a lion in the group. The lion crept into the safe zone, the territory of the lioness group, to attack the lion cub. That intention was discovered by some of the lionesses in the group. The female cats began to build strong defenses. The crowding of lionesses makes the male lion no longer aggressive and heady as before. It didn't back down in time. Faced with the power and authority of the lionesses, the male lion had to give up his intention to attack the lion cub. The rhinoceros is the largest and heaviest animal compared to other terrestrial animals, but is still very bewildered by the siege of the lioness. It looks like the lionesses are trying to make this rhinoceros their favorite dish today. The lionesses had probed quite carefully, but did not dare to come any closer to the rhinoceros. The rhinoceros is very patient, but it decides to respond to the big cat. Meaningful exploration. It is strong in self-defense, banishing big cats out of its land. The big cats still try to chase the target for some ideal that they think can come true. The rhinoceros seemed thirsty, so it went towards the lake. The big cats continued their dream work but failed. The rhinoceros did not have any worry or panic. It still calmly walked around the lake before the radar eyes of the lionesses. The hunt of big cats has encountered a worthy test, not about agility, but about perseverance and calm before the big cat's desire to eat meat. A group of lionesses has defeated a healthy wild buffalo. They began to rush to tear, bite to death large prey. One of them tries to use strength to kill the prey, dragging the prey carcass to a safe area to avoid the eyes of other horror predators. Under the power of the wild big cats, the wild buffalo could not escape death. The lions very rarely lose in hunts. This time, it was a wildebeest, and it didn't take much effort to catch. After a while of chasing, the lion also caught the wildebeest. There will be a tragic end to come, whether hunting or competing with other animals for prey. Lions always show their strength and majesty. Were you excited by the recent situations? Comment below to let everyone know what you think. And don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel to update soon, and follow the latest videos. See you in the next videos. Thank you.